I'm John Coyle. Welcome to AutoNation Drive's head-to-head feature. In this corner, we have the 2019 Chevy Blazer. After being phased out in 2005, it returns to Chevy's lineup as an aggressively styled midsize crossover. It's all new for 2019. Next, we have the 2019 Ford Edge. The popular crossover has been refreshed for the 2019 model year and now offers a high-performance ST model. The Chevy-Ford rivalry is the Hatfield-McCoy feud of the automotive world. So let's compare engines, interiors, standard features, and pricing. First, let's look at the powertrains. Chevy offers a choice of two engines for the Blazer, a 193 horsepower 4-cylinder and a 308 horsepower V6. Both are mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard and all-wheel drive is available, though it requires bumping up to the 6-cylinder. In front-wheel drive spec, the Blazer comes in at 22 miles per gallon city, 27 highway, while front-wheel drive V6 models score 20 city, 26 highway, and all-wheel drive versions deliver 18 city, 25 highway. The most powerful Blazers can tow up to 4,500 pounds. Ford also offers two engines for the Edge, and both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions are available. Most models feature a 250 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder, which comes in at 22 city and 29 highway in front-wheel drive spec, and 21 city, 28 highway when sending power to all four wheels. At the top of the lineup is the ST trim, which comes with a 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 and standard all-wheel drive. It delivers 19 city and 26 highway. All models come with an 8-speed automatic, and when properly configured, the Edge can tow up to 3,500 pounds. While the Chevy offers greater towing capacity, we also like the fuel economy Ford achieves with its all-wheel drive models, so we're going to call this a draw. Now, let's look inside the cabin. Chevy wanted to make a statement with the styling of the new Blazer, and the aggressive exterior elements carry over into the interior. Notably, the sharp angles surrounding the gauge cluster and infotainment screen, along with the prominent circular air vents, are similar to the Camaro. These touches give the cockpit a sporty feel, and there's also loads of interior storage. That said, cargo space is more modest, with 30 cubic feet available with the seats up and 64 with the rear seats folded. While Ford does offer a high-performance version of the Edge, across the range, the cabin styling is more restrained than the Chevys. Cargo space is superior, however, as the Ford will accommodate 39 feet of gear with the seats up and 73 feet with them folded. Cloth interior is standard for both models, though it should be noted that dual-zone climate control is standard on the Chevy and optional on the Ford. While it can't carry as much cargo as the Ford, we like the sporty feel of the Chevy's cabin, so it takes the win here. Today's tech-focused landscape has made infotainment a key factor in purchases, so both the Blazer and the Edge come with great systems. Both feature Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard equipment, and each system is intuitive, so they're easy to use right from the get-go. The Chevy has 4 USB ports, but the Edge also includes a Wi-Fi hotspot. From a design standpoint, we do think the Chevy has a sharper, more modern feel. This is another tough call, and just like some users prefer Apple to Android, which system is superior will come down to personal preference, so we're going to call this a draw. Since the Chevy Blazer is an all-new model, it hasn't been tested by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, so there's no rating to report. But that said, it's worth noting that the standard Edge comes with Copilot 360, a package of high-tech systems like lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision braking. And while those features are available on the Blazer, they come at additional cost. So while the Chevy might well best the Ford's 4-star crash rating, the inclusion of those features as standard equipment gives the Edge the win here. Now it's time to talk price. The Chevy Blazer starts at $28,800 and comes with front-wheel drive in the base 4-cylinder. In comparison, the Edge SE starts at $29,995 and comes with a 250 horsepower 4-cylinder. Both the Chevy and Ford offer a wide variety of upgrades and packages. But in running through the choices, we think the Blazer 3.6L trim is the best bang for the buck, as it offers a powerful engine, loads of creature comforts, and all-wheel drive at a great price. It's another close contest, but we're going to give the overall win to the Chevy. We like that the powerful engine is available on lower trim levels and think the more modern architecture delivers better driving dynamics. Of course, you shouldn't buy a car without a thorough test drive. So if you're deciding between the Chevy Blazer and the Ford Edge, visit AutoNation.com to find your nearby dealer. Which do you think is the best choice? Leave a comment below. And also be sure to subscribe as we have more head-to-head comparisons coming up. I'm John Coyle. Thanks for watching.